Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Interior Design. So here we have this amazing 4-bedroom house that you see over here. It has a 4-bedroom house together with a sitting room and another servant quarter at the end of it. So it has a public toilet, and then the master bedroom is ensuite and have a kitchen. It has 2 balconies, the front one and the rear porch at the end of our kitchen. So I will have a house tour, and then I show you how amazing we managed to build this 4-bedroom house over here. So if you've not yet subscribed, so kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the bell so as to turn on notifications, so whenever we post this content, you will be the first one to be notified. So I'm going to give you the empty house tour. So far the project is on, it's almost ending. We have done our painting like you see over there, even though it's not yet complete. We are on a painting work like you see over there, and then then the electrical work is on progress. So like you see, these are the spindles that you see over there. So we installed it over there on our balcony, so as to have at least a beautiful picture over there. And then we installed there the tiles at top of each. So this is the beautiful door that you see over there, and then like you see, we have done their molding work, and then this is the window. So our sitting room has only a single window that you see over there. So as I'm let you inside this 4-bedroom, and then you see how is it. So this corridor, we didn't yet do any interior work design, so we installed only a flat ceiling design. And then this is the sitting room like you see over there. So the electrical work it has been almost complete, but it's not yet working. So the fixtures that you see there are already installed, but there is no power. They have not been yet provided the power option. So this is the beautiful chandelier that you see over there, and then we install the 2 fans that you see over there. So the gypsum work like you see is over there, and then we are installed here a 3 wall brackets that like you see. So this one is the first one, and then it is a 3 color wall bracket, and then that is our serving window. It will be communicating between our sitting and our kitchen like you see over there. So that is another second wall bracket that we installed over this beautiful sitting room. So like you see, it's quite spacious. And then there's a provision for our TV. As always, we installed two double socket on each provision for our TV. So and then that is the provision for our switching point like you see. Those are the provision for our regulator and the switching point for this entire circuit of this sitting room. And then this is the window. When you are out inside our sitting room, that is the window over there. And then that is the DP switch that will be used to control our air condition that will be installed later, after we have done all electrical after we have already done our services building. So that is like you see, this is a small space that is over here. So that is the way that enters towards our kitchen. And then you can, and then on our right hand like you see, that is the public toilet, and then the other one, it's a sitting room. So like you see there, that's the provision for our hand basin that was installed outside this toilet. So this is the first bedroom like you see over there. The paint work, we just went with a cream white color, cream color. So it has 2 windows like we have seen, and then that is the door that welcomes towards this house. And then that is the fan that we have installed here in this room. So we are in Garissa, so it's a must to provide a provision for either fan or an air condition. So that is the double socket that the owner, maybe whoever will be using this bedroom, will be using it to power on his either computer or his telephone. So I'm going to let you inside this toilet, and then see how amazing it is. So like you see, it's welcoming. So that is our pit. This is our toilet. Like you see over there, we have installed our tiles. The like you see, the tiles are of different color, but you see it's quite giving, like you see on our toilet over there. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, guys, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. So this is a soap dish that we install it over there, so as to hold our soap. Then that's the controller for towards our shower, and then the other one also tap. So this is the shower, like you see over there. That this is the one that we budgeted for it. So maybe at later the owner, if wants to changes it, he is able to change it. So but according to our estimate, we just install it, that one. So this is the toilet, like you see. You can sit on it, like you see over there. So like you see over there, at the down there, we have installed this is the provision for our wardrobes, and then a kitchen level. So I'm let you inside this master bedroom, and then you see the specification that we installed it over here. So this is a beautiful welcome. It's beautiful, like you see. It's welcoming. The interior design, we just went with the simple, but you can see it's quite beautiful. So the electrical part, it has been done. Like you see, the wall brackets that are installed. Like you see, it's just one, but it's a 3-in-1 color wall bracket. And then you see over there, that is the provision for our air condition, and then the other one is for a strapper. A strapping, when you are asleep, you can put it off while you sleep. You are asleep on this on your bed. And then that is the second wall bracket on this master bedroom. Like you see, they are of same color, and then same size, then same design, like over there. So that's our dynamites, even though they are not powered on. But I promise you, on the next video, we'll give you the entire house tour while it's complete. So like you see over there, that's the provision for our regulator and the power point. So this is the toilet for this master bedroom. Like you see there, we install our hand basin inside the toilet, as compared to the public toilet we install it outside. The tiles, like you see, they're of different, so as to have that amazing look on this toilet. So like you see over there, so we install our tiles. It was almost a 3/4 of this whole toilet. That is our shower, then that is the control, and then there's down there, that is the tap for this toilet, and then that is the soap dish for this, to hold the soap for the one who will be using this master bedroom toilet. So this is the toilet, like you see over there. It's different with the one that was placed in the public toilet. Like you see over there, it has already been installed, but even though plumbing work, it's almost done, but the provision for the water, it's not yet ready. But I will give you the house tour when it's already. So that is our Arabic shower that we have installed over there. So guys, if you need this kind of service, you can contact our numbers on our bio, or you can contact through 0746 28 96 67. Like you see over there, those are the boards for our wardrobe for the 2-bedroom, and then 1 kitchen, for the kitchen. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Like you see over there, it's of same size with the 1st bedroom. The electrical pointing, we have already installed our fan and our ceiling rods, and then the entire pin for this whole 4-bedroom house, it's where the owner suggests to just put there a cream color. So that is the 4th the fourth bedroom, guys. Like you see over there, this is the fourth bedroom. That is the double socket. And then the upper part, we just went with the flat ceiling design, like you see over there. So that is the fan and our ceiling rods. There are two windows, like you see over there, even though we have not yet installed our sliding windows, but we'll install it later. So like you see, and then we painted our door white so as to have that. I think with if you paint white, it looks very smart. So I'm going to let you inside towards this kitchen, and then I think I will end on a video. So kindly subscribe to this channel. So this is the this is the kitchen, like you see over there. When you enter, you'll just see these tiles that we installed on our worktop, like you see. So this worktop is quite spacious and it is big enough to accommodate the owner. If you have many storage for the big storage capacity. So that is the double socket for fridge, and then on the other side, that is the store that will be used over this kitchen. So that, like you see there, that is the ceiling rods that we have installed here. So guys, kindly subscribe, like, share this video. So that is the tiles that we installed on upper side for this worktop, and then that's the tap that will be used on this sink that you see over there. And then that is the rear porch, like you see over there. Those are the spindles that we installed it over there. So guys, thank you for your support. Bye bye.